Nothing beats a cold start, boys. Nothing beats a cold start. Oh, what's that? Is that an access port? Let's go, baby. As you can tell, new footage, new camera, new things. You know what it is. Bought myself a G7X Mark II, so that's what you're seeing yourselves on right now. Today, I'm gonna be catching up with Alex, but first, I've got a light to put into my garage because I will show you when I take the car out of the garage that the light in there is horrible, puts off no light at all. And when I was trying to do stuff at night, I can't do anything, especially in this isolation. So I'm gonna be getting to that. All right, boys, I've closed the garage. I'll show you how much light's in there now. It's pretty horrible. Pitch black. Now look at the light that I've got. Ready? That's it. That is it. What am I gonna do with that? So, what we've got here is a LED ballast cell batten to put up. So that's going to put off heaps of light because that's pretty much what they use in like detailing sheds and stuff like that. So it's going to put off heaps of light. Let's get to it and I'll show you the end product. Alright, boys, that was more painful than I thought. She's looking good. So I'm just gonna quickly shut the garage, and oh, that light fitting there, that was one of the hat things. It literally looked, it just crumbled in my hands. So you would have seen that in the time lapse, but we'll close the garage door, get full darkness. I haven't even seen it yet, so this will be a first for me too. Pitch black, sick. Let's have a gaze. Ready? Oh my God. So much better. I think I need to change the colour to a different one, so I'll do that now. No, the camera, first use and it already gets knocked over. You're kidding. Oh, it's alright. She good, she good. Alright, that's better. Now it's brighter in here, you can already tell. So much better. A massive thumbs up from me. Alright, so get it in focus, would you? Just while I was editing this and going through the final touches, I just wanted to say, with what you're about to watch next, the high pressure fuel pump internal, like install and everything like that, we're not professionals. It was just pretty much banter with me and the boys putting it in. There's plenty of videos on the internet, hence how we found out how to do them. So don't expect to watch this and actually learn how to put them in, because there's other people out there that actually explain it step by step and everything you need and everything. Yeah, don't put us on that we don't know what we're doing or anything like that. It was pretty much just banter. So anyway, we'll get back to the video. What's going on, guys? Brand new RSK. You wouldn't believe it, but everyone rocked up in RSK shirts, so not complaining. Show you the boys' rigs. Zane's Ute, Corey's MPS 6, Jake's Pootrol rig. Actually, I'm putting in my high pressure fuel pump internals. Had Corey come help because we were struggling. So I just got the boys here. I've already taken the battery case out. Whatnot else. So we've gotten this far. This is about as far as we got. We've got to get it out. Corey knows what he's doing, lucky enough. Lucky enough. And now I'm going to take off. We're going to take, what do we got to take off next? These fuel lines or something?
Yeah, the fuel lines, cable, and 3 bolts, and it should come out.
I'll tell you what, it's a pain in the to get the battery box out. 3 suck. Corey's taking it out because I'm struggling. The other boys are just watching. Look at the merch. Look at the merch. RSK. RSK's family, let's go. Let's go. Woo! That's just a Whitey boy. Whitey boy one. Don't know if they'll make it again. They'll make it. I don't know if we'll make it again. Is it coming off or not?
Flathead screwdriver?
Yeah, that's that.
Yeah, it's broken.
It's not broken.
It might still, that might be.
Is it broken? I don't know. I'm just saying lucky Corey made it here. Because the other boys were not helping. Look, I'm just being honest with you.
Well, we don't own MPSs, so we don't know.
Yeah, we already know you. You're the guy that overfills his engine.
Yeah.
Oh, nah. What'd you do?
Pulled out his dipstick and he filled the word full. So,
it wasn't me.
It was, bro.
Yeah, it was me.
Everybody?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into.
Oh, smell it. It's nice fuel.
Corey, am I get to have a spin in your 6 MPS after this?
Yeah, 100%.
Yes.
I don't know, if you want to try
Let me
that.
feel. Oh, that one's got heaps of play.
That's what I'm saying. That one's like sits on it.
Doesn't go all that.
I think it's because it's like
Yeah.
Doge. Right.
How good does that white look?
Thanks, bro. It's good, eh? In the purple.
Mm.
Right occasion to wear white, let's be honest.
Yes, great occasion.
Slightly. Yeah.
Brennan's gone. Now we're working on his car. We're not going to tell him what we're doing, but yeah,
We're just gonna take.
We're gonna copy brake lines.
yeah, that'll do. That'll do it. Take his engine out and then scrap it for scrap metal. What do you think?
What?
What do you think?
You're
About
gonna
what?
just agree to it.
Just agree.
Yeah.
Yeah, sweet, sweet,
Easy.
easy.
No.
What do we got here, Brendan?
It's not grabbing, bro.
What's wrong with it?
Struggling a bit.
No, it's just spinning on the top.
Oh, he's got it. He's
done it.
cracked it.
Oh, he's
Oh, look at him go.
Woo! Who's your daddy? Talk to me. Insert. Why is this in the way?
Insert. You tell me, and we'll both know.
I think I need extension. I do.
Yeah.
Stand him up.
Yeah.
He gets very excited
That's
when
what I'm
things
talking
work.
about. I'm getting excited because it's getting done.
The plastic.
Oh. You don't want to break that.
Alright,
scared.
so we've got it. The bolts
What do I need to take out?
out. We're just trying to get the thing out so we can install
I'm scared.
a new high pressure fuel pump.
Look, I'll tell you, I'll be honest, Corey. I brought you along so that if you break it.
You have to pay for it.
Nah, look. He knows what he's doing. That's all I'm going to say.
I knew that one was coming.
Nah, it's alright. I trust you, brother.
So we're the witnesses, I'm guessing?
Yeah. That's why we. I reckon it's. You reckon because there's like a rubber seal or something on there?
It could be.
It's gonna be tight.
It's gonna be tighter than a
Should I get a
nun's
should I get a flatty here?
Well, if it's not tight.
What are you gonna do, Brendan?
Get a flatty in.
And
Is she not coming out?
Maybe this.
Maybe it does say on the video wriggle it, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's gonna be tight, man.
you gotta give it a bit of a wiggle, mate.
I feel like my one's got 4 bolts.
I feel like your hand's in the way of everything.
feel
I'm
like,
trying
bro.
to do.
Yeah, getting a good look. This whole contraption.
Come have a look at mine.
Is what
you
we're
can see,
removing.
like clear.
Someone
Yeah,
actually
because
just
your
touched
engine
my-
bay's sick. We're gonna look at that.
It'll be a similar.
Alright, we're going to look at
Pauses.
Cause's engine bay.
Look at the rig. Let's be honest.
Pretty big.
Oh,
Oh, look at
oh my god. Already got like.
1, 2, and then down the bottom 3.
Bro, yours is right there.
that. Look how easy it is.
Oh, you did a battery relocation, eh?
Yeah. I got the battery there.
Look at the size of this.
That's sick.
Yeah, that's pretty much it, and then it should just wiggle out.
Is that homemade?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what you need. That's what I need.
I got bored
That
on the
there.
weekend.
Yeah, I want that.
I need that.
Did you do it yourself?
Yeah, this is homemade. Lip kit, side.
Oh, what's that gold thing? Is that thing you were telling me to get?
Vacuum block.
Yeah.
Fuck was that?
They're stickers.
That's a big boy,
It's vinyl.
big boy turbo. Lit.
Something,
Alright, well, Corey's is easy.
So
We've
you got
seen
the
that
idea?
now.
You got the idea now?
Yeah.
That's
I've got the idea. It just doesn't want to come out.
Let's
Why
go
does yours look so good? You get a new one. And you got Allen key. Ah, rebuilt.
Did you try
Gotcha.
that yourself?
Alright, let's go. Alright. I'm gonna give this another go. I'm gonna try to pull it out. It's the first time it's probably ever came out. But I'm gonna do it anyway. Because it's gotta be done. And it's getting dark and my car can't just sit here. I can't even close the garage door right now. Because it has to get pulled out. So I'm gonna pull it out right now.
Alright, so
We got it out. How freaking tight was it?
Bloody tight.
That was ridiculous.
How tight was it? Corey?
Damn tight.
That was
How
ridiculous.
tight was it?
Yeah, she's pretty.
Zane, how tight was it?
There's a beep.
Alright, so we've got it out. Just putting the new one in now.
Yeah, so what are we gonna do?
Oh, this one's different setup to mine. Different setup to mine.
Pretty sure you put this over, and then you put those 2 little things in.
Things we do for fast bits.
Yeah.
Yep.
I think it's on the back here.
Should just drop it out. With a lot of fuel.
Yeah, nice.
We like that.
Oh, that's
Do
that
not-
bit.
Do not mix. Do not mix your parts up. Last thing you want is put the stock parts back.
It is pretty loose, isn't it?
First we're
Nah,
saying,
it's
first we're
definitely
saying
right.
she's tight. Now she's
Definitely right. We're
loose.
just gonna figure out what way this goes on.
Okay, so they're like called the keepers, right?
Okay.
Calling in some help, aren't we, Brendan?
I think it's the
That way down?
That way's how the old one was.
And then you've got to compress that down, and then you've got to drop those two little keepers, right? And they'll fall in, and then you can release it and unlock it in.
Alright, so we've worked it out. And now it's just basically a part of tightening it up and putting it back in all together. And should be
your
sweet.
uncle.
Samantha's your sister.
Jeffrey's your dad.
And that's the way. That's where we go. He's just copied what I said.
Yeah, he's
And
Can you just get in? That'd be nice.
this
Alright,
is behind
someone
the
get the
scenes,
G
boys.
clamp. Someone get the G clamp.
Having some problems there.
Where did this come from, my arm?
That's holding the intake in, alright? The only thing I got now is they go on top. Here,
You gotta push this bad puppy in.
Alright, Jordan, since you're a plumber and you're strong.
Do you hear that, boys? Jordan's strong. What do
you get me
you think?
the
What do you
battery,
think? What do you think about that?
Battery in the hole!
Where's the battery?
There, bro!
Hold. Yeah, don't drop that on your hands. I'm telling you. You'll have holes in your hands.
She's in.
Yeah.
We have success.
Anyone got some lube?
Alright, you can't see anything because we don't have interior lights, but we're going for a quick rip in Corey's 6 MPS. We'll get a proper review on this though, soon enough.
Oh, it's warming up a bit.
Yeah. This, what the? Was that a bang?
Yeah. Change it, I don't like it. I want to change it to Gold Rush, but now it says Chicks
That's
MPS.
mad. Chicks MPS.
I want to change it. I just don't know how to.
Oh, look at the lighting what we got from the traffic lights. Yeah. Nah, so we'll get a proper review on this. We'll get a proper review on soon.
Yeah, definitely.
Once all this stuff all dies down, we're just going for a quick rip so we can so I can have a feel of actually what power feels like. I was just saying to Corey how loud it is from his big intake. Yeah, so go left here. You can hear it spooling from a mile away. Because this has what, 4 inch?
Yeah, 4-inch intake.
4-inch intake. Oh, that flutter is so sick. And this has got a screamer, so it's literally going to be same as. Wait, how much kilowatts is this?
I don't know. This is online tuning.
So you don't know yet?
Tuning it.
Yeah, freak tune.
Once it's finished tuning, I'll hit it on the dyno, and that's when I know numbers.
Yeah, that's going to be
At the
sick.
moment, the most I've gone is 25 PSI, so we might see if we get some more tonight.
Yep. Jesus. That scream is so loud. I can't wait till I get a scream like that. It was like only a little bit too.
Yeah, so.
But you didn't even. How high were your revs just then?
5,000 I stopped that.
Yeah, that's when I always stopped.
My AXA Sport restarted.
What do you mean?
You hit 26 PSI,
Yeah.
but
Oh, that is so good. I can't wait for mine, eh?
yeah, you'll love it once it starts screaming.
Yeah, dude. Well, that's what I'm going to show for now until we actually do the full review of it because we need daylight and a proper review. So until then, like, subscribe, remember, RSK is a family, spread the word.
Bye.
Thanks heaps for taking us. Have fun.
See you at the next one.
It's going to be mint. That's alright.